We are AllReitz Group. Welcome to our very first video of a new segment we're starting with our newest employee, who is our, business
development manager.
Business development manager. So I'm gonna have you show what you're working with now. Let's see your Surface.
Yeah, I'm using a Surface Book 2. It's a bit older. It's about 6-7 years old. It's a good laptop. I enjoyed using it. My first laptop. So I really wanted to use a Windows machine kind of at first. And I'm glad I did. It's got a lot of cool features about it. It's got a tablet, pop off as a tablet. The ports on it are pretty decent. It's got 2 USBs and stuff like that. It's got a exterior camera on the back and a camera on the front. It's pretty old.
I always forget that the Surfaces have that.
Yeah, it's a pretty good feature.
Yeah, not all laptops have that.
No, they don't. I didn't use it that much.
I was gonna say, how much?
Cool.
Yeah, it's a cool
really
feature, but how much do you actually use it?
Yeah. But this laptop's lasted me a long time. It's been through the ringer. It's missing, a bunch of stuff on the back. The rubber. It's scratched up on the bottom. It's got dents and nicks in the top here, and it's a bit cracked along the holder right here to keep the top steady. As you can see, it's kind of flimsy. But I'm excited to be getting a new laptop.
I will say, when we brought Jake on board, his computer was keeping me up at night because I had a Surface as well. It's a fantastic device and I absolutely love it. But technology nowadays, after about 4 or 5 years, it's really just becomes a little antiquated. And can barely run some of the systems. So Jake's computer is keeping me up at night. So this is going to help de-stress my life, having you have a nice computer. Yeah. All right.
Good computer.
Let's do it.
Yes.
I want to see it.
Yeah. Let's move on.
Get
Take
this out of here. Put that down there. Get rid of it.
All right. Guess just kind of pull it out, huh?
Yeah.
Like this. Kind of see it from the top there.
That's right, we got top view. All right.
All right. Wow. Clean. Good presentation. Wrapped pretty well.
It was so hard for me not to open this before this video, and we gave it to him.
Just go for it, huh?
Do it. So we saved this for him. We didn't unwrap it. You can see the wrapping is still on it.
Yes.
Apple wrapping. Apple makes a big deal about environmentally friendly packaging, and you can see how minimalistic it is, which is also another excuse to include less in the box. But that's fine. We love them anyway.
Wow. Pretty clean. Good look. Wow,
So,
it's pretty heavy compared to my other laptop, to be honest.
What's in the box?
So we have the charging cord, your standard cord, your standard manual, and some stickers. And
Does it come with the stickers?
It should come with the stickers if I can get on in there. Yep, there's the stickers right there. It comes with a nice.
Can't get that with your phone anymore.
Yeah, good thing you get one with your computer because.
Are you gonna peel it?
Yeah, I should peel it. Huh? Do the peel thing. I'm gonna move this over here.
Oh, man. Oh, you're not supposed to rip. You're supposed to peel.
Hey, man, I peeled it. It kept going.
We'll let it slide. Because this is the reason we're all here.
Yes.
So there it is.
Pretty good, yeah. Pretty heavy, pretty weight. Although I kind of like a weight behind my electronics.
Yeah, it gives it a more premium feel.
Gives it more like sturdiness kind of feel to it.
So what do we have for I/O?
So this is pretty good.
We have two. On this side, we have 2 USB Type-C, which are Thunderbolt 4. The Thunderbolt moniker could potentially be going away, but it's kind of the next gen. But those are 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. And then a headphone jack.
A headphone jack on this side.
A little combo port.
Yes. All right, I guess let's open it up.
Hold on, you got to do it like, did you see the release video? You got to do the release video where the guy, you didn't see that, did you? Yeah, there you go. Oh.
Wow, started right away.
There's a good peel there.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Wow.
in Mac OS Big Sur, what this is running, they actually brought that sound back when they started up the Mac. They used to all do that.
Really?
And yeah, and now they brought it back because it was just kind of a nostalgic sound.
Yeah, it really is. Our first impressions, very clean compared to my Windows computer. A very clean interface, which Apple is pretty known for. They're
So
pretty
you've never
standard.
had an Apple
I've
laptop?
never had an Apple laptop.
Okay, yeah.
So it's interesting to. It looks very presented, clean, neat, nice, fresh, shiny. The keys feel vastly different. Kind of good. Kind of gonna be interesting to get used to. The windows are more the clicky.
Yeah, so the keyboard on this is the Magic Keyboard, I believe, which is similar to I use an iPad. The Magic Case. It has similar keys to that. However, my MacBook is the butterfly key switches, which they didn't go that well. They didn't go over that well. Not everybody was the biggest fan, and there were some issues with them. Yeah. So for those interested, what I found with the Touch Bar is that usually the individual apps let you control certain things for the Touch Bar. Some apps, particularly Adobe apps, have a very dynamic touch bar. So as you click on different things, the touch bar reacts and changes to settings or something that may be in whatever you clicked on. So
does your laptop now have a?
It has the touch bar. However, mine, if you see here, your touch bar, this is separate, which is the power button. It's also a fingerprint reader.
Right. Yes,
and then you have the escape key, and those are two of the bigger complaints. Mine just has a touch bar all the way across, where this is integrated and there's no escape key.
They brought it back.
Yeah, that's basically people complaining too much, and so they brought that back. You will find though, and this is kind of touching on the touch bar as well. I find that when I'm in my office and all that, I'm using my computer closed, so you never really get to use the touch bar. And there's also the delete key on your keyboard, which works.
On the Bluetooth keyboard.
At least there is some saving grace there.
Yes. Really excited to see the new M1 chip and how that handles with everything. Because my computer right now, the Windows, is pretty slow now. It's pretty old.
Can't run After Effects.
Yeah,
can't run Premiere.
Crashed running a couple high-profile programs.
Maybe we'll do a side by side with the iPad as well, because everybody says the iPad's a laptop now. So we'll check that out.
I guess we'll find out, huh?
Yes, we will. So stay tuned for all that. And
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.